Welcome to BikeZone, the ultimate destination for motorcycle enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the 2025 Honda CRF 300L. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or a commuter looking for a reliable dual-sport bike, the CRF 300L is designed to tackle diverse terrains with ease. We'll go over everything you need to know, from its performance capabilities to design upgrades, features, and how it compares to its competitors. So, let's get started. Design and aesthetic. Honda's engineers put a lot of thought into the design of the CRF 300L, focusing on both comfort and durability. For riders who spend long hours on the saddle, the seat has been designed for comfort, with a slightly lower height compared to its predecessors, making it accessible for a wider range of riders. The bike's overall weight has been reduced, making it easier to maneuver both on and off the road. The lightweight design, combined with a low seat height, helps ensure that the CRF 300L remains agile, especially when riding through tight trails or when navigating obstacles. The ergonomics are well thought out, with handlebars positioned to maintain a comfortable riding posture, reducing rider fatigue during extended rides. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 CRF 300L lies its new 286cc engine. This is a significant upgrade from the previous 250cc engine, providing a noticeable increase in horsepower and torque. The single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine is designed for a smooth power delivery, making it versatile enough for both off-road and on-road riding. But the increased engine displacement means riders can expect better performance on long highway stretches and challenging off-road trails. With a maximum output of around 27 horsepower, the CRF 300L can tackle steep inclines and rough terrains with ease. Honda has also worked on improving throttle response, which translates to a more refined riding experience. Fuel injection is also part of the package, offering better fuel efficiency and consistent performance in different weather conditions. Whether you're riding through mud, sand, or loose gravel, the CRF 300L's engine provides the necessary power for smooth acceleration and steady control. Technology and features. The 2025 CRF 300L brings several modern tech upgrades that enhance the riding experience. One of the most noticeable changes is the digital LCD display, which replaces the traditional analog gauge. The new display provides clear and easy-to-read information about speed, fuel level, trip information, and more. Honda has also integrated a fuel-efficient ECU and an improved ignition system, contributing to a better overall riding experience. The bike comes equipped with LED lighting for better visibility at night and a more modern, aggressive look. The high-performance braking system with a 256mm front disc and a 220mm rear disc provides smooth and controlled braking, enhancing rider confidence on both smooth roads and tricky trails. For added convenience, the CRF 300L features a 2.1-gallon fuel tank, giving you a solid range for those long-distance trips. Whether you're navigating the back roads or embarking on a multi-day adventure, the CRF 300L ensures you have the fuel capacity you need to keep going without frequent stops. Suspension and handling. One of the key selling points of any dual sport bike is how it performs off-road, and the CRF 300L excels in this area. The 2025 model features fully adjustable suspension on both the front and rear, making it highly adaptable to various terrains. The 43mm long travel front forks and Pro-Link rear shock allow for a smooth ride over obstacles like rocks, roots, and deep ruts. Whether you're riding in a rocky desert, crossing streams, or navigating through thick forests, the suspension system absorbs the bumps, providing excellent control and comfort. This suspension setup also contributes to the bike's overall stability. The CRF 300L handles tight turns and uneven surfaces with confidence, ensuring that the rider remains in control even in tricky situations. Additionally, the adjustable suspension allows you to tailor the bike's response to your personal preferences or the type of terrain you are about to conquer. Overview of the 2025 Honda CRF 300L. Honda's CRF 300L has been one of the most anticipated motorcycles in the dual sport category. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the CRF 250L, Honda made substantial improvements to ensure the 2025 CRF 300L stands out as a top contender in the adventure and off-road bike market. With its larger engine, refined design, and enhanced features, the CRF 300L brings more power, better suspension, and a more comfortable ride. But what exactly makes this model so special? Let's break it down. Pricing and value. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Honda CRF 300L is positioned competitively in the dual sport market. At approximately $5,500 depending on region and dealership, it offers exceptional value for riders looking for a versatile and reliable motorcycle. Compared to some other bikes in the same category, the CRF 300L stands out due to its combination of performance, features, and overall quality. For those who are interested in off-road riding but don't want to break the bank, the CRF 300L represents a solid investment. The bike's durability and low maintenance needs make it a long-term option for anyone looking to explore trails, dirt paths, and even the daily commute. How does it compare? CRF 300L vs competitors. To truly understand what makes the 2025 Honda CRF 300L stand out, it's important to compare it with its competitors. Two notable rivals in the dual sport market include the Kawasaki KLX300 and Yamaha WR250R. The Honda CRF 300L surpasses the Yamaha WR250R in terms of engine displacement, offering a smoother and more powerful ride. When compared to the Kawasaki KLX300, the CRF 300L offers a slightly better suspension setup and improved fuel efficiency, making it a great choice for long-distance adventure rides. Honda's reputation for reliability also plays a crucial role in the CRF 300L's appeal. While the competitors offer good performance, the CRF 300L's balance of comfort, power, and durability gives it an edge in both off-road conditions and on-road handling. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda CRF 300L is a stellar option for riders who need a capable, reliable, and fun dual sport bike. Its combination of increased engine power, modern tech features, comfortable design, and advanced suspension system make it an excellent choice for a wide range of riders. Whether you're a beginner looking to dive into off-roading or an experienced rider seeking a dependable machine, the CRF 300L delivers on every front. If you're considering upgrading your dual sport bike or stepping into the adventure world for the first time, the CRF 300L is definitely worth checking out. With its price point, versatility, and proven performance, it's easy to see why Honda's 2025 CRF 300L is making waves in the motorcycle community. That's it for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to BikeZone. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews and bike comparisons. Let us know in the comments what you think about the CRF 300L, or if you have any questions. Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring.